Our storytime book today is called Beehive by Jorey Hurley, and we're going to learn how bees make honey. Beehive. Buzz. Swarm. Explore. Find. Build. Lay. Feed. Grown. Fly. Collect. Pollinate. Guard. Uh-oh. What's going up into the beehive? That's a skunk. Sting. Keep. Honey. And that's the end of our book. So for those interested in learning a bit more about the process of bees making honey, here is the author's note. Feel free to pause this and you can read it a bit further. So that was kind of a neat way to use minimal words to describe such a cool process of how bees make honey. Did you know all of those different steps? How they had to find the tree to build their house, and flying, and then going to collect the pollen. That was a really neat way of explaining it. We hope you enjoyed our story time book, and we'll see you next week for another story time.